Hi Tubies, here's Alexandra, and today we make fried ramen with Spam sunny side up. First thing we are doing here is frying our Spam. I have cut about maybe 100 gram of Spam in a pan, and I'm starting frying it. Okie dokie, when the Spam is nice and crispy, we can now add our ramen to the pan. What kind of ramen you're using? Well, it should be instant ramen, but the kind and flavor is totally up to you. I've broken this now into 4 chunks, and we will just add it to the pan. And then we will add a little bit of water. How much? Well, around 100 milliliters. So, also we will add the seasoning powder to the water, and that will season the entire dish. And now we will simply cook the ramen until it is done. We will turn it around midway, and well, we cook until all the water is evaporated and the noodles are soft. Be right back. Okay, as you can see, the water is almost gone now, and the ramen noodles are nice and soft. I've spread them out, and now we add 2 eggs. I have cracked them into a cup. Why I'm cracking them in the cup and not directly into the pan? Because that way I can see if I have some eggshells left, and I can pull them out before I add them to the dish. And now we just add the eggs to our noodles. We spread out the egg white a little bit through the entire dish. Make sure you don't crack the egg yolk. There we go. We'll let that finish up, and well, there you have your fried ramen with Spam sunny side up. I hope you liked this little video, and we see us in the next one. You're Alexandra. Bye.